Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable autoplay on Spotify. Spotify allows you to automatically play related music after your current playlist or album finishes. So here's how you do it. Open up the Spotify application to get started and log into your account. From the home page, tap on your profile picture at the top left corner and click on Settings and Privacy. Under Settings, look for the Playback button and tap on it. Now, scroll all the way down and look for the Autoplay Similar Content button. Make sure to toggle on the button right next to it. And once you do that, this will allow Spotify to automatically play similar songs when your playlist or album ends. Now you can enjoy non-stop music with Spotify's autoplay feature, keeping the vibe going without having to manually play another track. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Spotify tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.